Good morning, children. In this video we will study about prepositions. As you all know that in the previous video we have completed preposition and we have also seen the preposition of time and preposition of place. One more type of preposition which is given in your book in class 5th, that is preposition of movement. Today we will study about preposition of movement. But before we start what is preposition of movement, let us have a recap that what is a preposition and what we have studied in preposition of place and preposition of time. So I had told you in detail, I hope that you have understood also, that a preposition is that word which describes about the relationship or the relation between the noun or pronoun in the sentence with other words in the sentence. Fine. Now we had seen some examples also, like the bicycle is behind the gate. So we are able to know that the relation of the bicycle and the gate, that where is the bicycle? It is behind the gate. Next thing that we have seen is about preposition of time. So the preposition of time, it helps us to understand that when something has happened or when something happens. Okay. For example, that we in this we talk about the month, that in which month it can happen, which date, which day, and so on. So my birthday falls on 24th of August. So when my I can find the relation between my birthday and the date. So when it falls on 24th of August. The boy came first in class. Where the boy came first? In class. Okay. So these are preposition of time. Preposition of place is that it tells us that where something or someone is. And certain examples of that we can see that where we live, suppose we can say we live in India. So our relation with India is that we live in India. Fine. Then his house is at the corner of the street. Where is his house? At the corner of the street. Now the last type of preposition which we have to cover is preposition of movement. So as you can see on the board, I have written the heading and the examples. Okay, because examples are the ones which will help us to understand prepositions in a better way. Preposition of movement. Now what is preposition of movement? Preposition of movement, it tells us about the movement or the direction of something. Like if I want to say a farmer was driving his cart along a country road. So let me just draw a picture for you so that you can understand. Okay. Suppose this is a farmer. For example, it is just a rough figure for you all to understand. The farmer was driving his cart. He is driving. Okay. Suppose he is driving his cart. Let me make it like this. Okay. He is driving his cart along a country road. If this is a road, okay, this is a road. He is driving his cart along this road in this direction. इस sentence का ये मतलब, okay? So the word which we can see here along, it is telling about the direction. It is telling about the position of farmer from one place to another. Okay? The boy jumped over the wall. So a boy was there, okay, a wall was also there, he has jumped over the wall. So this word over is the preposition of movement, because it is telling us about the movement of that boy. And where he has moved over the wall. Okay. Third example I have written here, they had to swim across the river. Across the river means suppose if this is the river, it is a flowing river. They have to swim in this direction, across the river. Okay, so this word across is telling us about the direction. So preposition of movement tells us about the direction. कि कोई चीज एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. Okay, the girl ran towards her father. Last sentence I have written, the girl ran towards her father. It is not visible. Okay, you can understand by listening that the girl ran towards her father. So her father was standing at a distance somewhere there, and the girl ran towards him, unki taraf, right? So again we come to know that what is the direction of that girl, where she is going, right? So these type of words which tell us about the direction are known as preposition of movement. So according to the definition which is given in the book, it is written that preposition of movement shows movement from one place to another. And children, you can see all these words like along, it is showing movement from one place to another. Over, it is showing movement from, this is the wall, the boy has jumped over this wall. Okay? So what we are coming to know, that we are coming to know the movement which is taking place from one place to another. They had to swim across the river. See, again we are able to know that they have to swim across the river from one place to another. Again, preposition of movement. The girl ran towards her father. Her father was standing over here. The girl was standing over here. She has ran towards her father. Again, the movement has taken place from one place to another. This type of preposition are known as preposition of movement. So with this topic we have completely finished the chapter preposition, the explanation part we have done. Next, what you have to do is that you have to see the videos, you have to listen to it, and you have to just complete the exercises as the PDF will be coming to you, and write the definitions in your copy. All the definitions have been given, so you have to write that. So fine, that's all for today's video, and I hope that you have understood. It is a very simple topic, preposition of time, and we will meet again in the next chapter with a new topic. Thank you.